Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Spotify not showing now playing problem. I found 3 different solutions for this problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to update Spotify and turn off the battery saver feature if it is turned on for Spotify. First, we enter the Play Store to update Spotify. We're typing Spotify here. If you have an update, as I do, we are making this update. After the update is complete, we enter the settings to turn off the battery save feature. From the settings, we first find the applications. Then we find Spotify among our apps. Then we find the battery saver feature. The parts here may differ depending on the brand of your phone. It may be available as a separate section on your phone, not within the application. Once we find this setting, we remove it if there is a restriction. It was our first solution. If this solution does not work, we will move on to our next solution. Our third solution is to delete Spotify with its data and reinstall it. For this, we first enter the settings. Then we find apps. We find Spotify among our apps. Before uninstalling Spotify, we click on Clear Data. Then we say Clear all data. If deleting the data does not appear directly for you, it may be in the storage section. After deleting the data, we finally delete the application. After deleting the application, the only thing we need to do is to reinstall the application. You already know that part. Now you can log into our account and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, we will move on to the third and final solution. Our third solution is to use an older version of Spotify. The reason we do this is because old versions did not have such a problem. If we use the old version Spotify, there will be no problem. For this, we first delete Spotify from the phone. Older versions are not available in the Play Store, so we need to download them from the internet. We activate the Install Unknown Apps feature for our browser so that we can install the application from outside the Google Play Store. This feature may differ depending on the phone brand you use, but you can find it by typing in the search section in the settings or by searching the internet. I am using Xiaomi. First, we enter the privacy protection. Then we click on Special Permissions. Finally, we click on Install Unknown Apps. Here we find our browser we use and click on it. And we are enabling the Allow from this source feature. This setting might be in a different location on Samsung devices. After saying OK here, we can now download the old Spotify version. We just enter the browser that we have allowed and then we type old version Spotify in the search section. Here we enter the up to down site. When we scroll down here, we see many old versions and their dates. My recommendation would be to download 2 or 3 pre-release versions. After the APK is downloaded, we enter the downloads and click on the APK we have downloaded. Then we finally click Install and the application installs itself. Now we can open Spotify and log in to our account. And this was our third and final solution. As you can see now, playing part is working. We have come to the end of our video. I hope these solutions worked for you and you got rid of the error. If the video worked for you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to get rid of such errors. Take care and see you in the next video.